Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can log in into CapCut. So first, you just need to, if you haven't installed, you can just find the CapCut apps in Play Store or App Store on your phone. Then open the CapCut apps. Then here, head to the Me menu at the bottom. And there will be 4 options that you can choose to log into CapCut. You can use your TikTok account, Google, email, or Facebook. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. Let's say I want to use TikTok. So here, click on this black button, sign in with TikTok. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, so if you already installed a TikTok app on your phone, now you can just authorize CapCut to have access to your TikTok account. Click on authorize and wait. And just like that, the sign in successful and you'll be logged into CapCut using your TikTok account. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.